where you can pump people off. It's just, you know, a code through an IM. And, what the hell was her name? I went to her house, I met her family. Oh, I forget her name. Last time I talked to her, she contacted me while I was here, and Alex. Megan, that was it, Megan. Oh, shit. Megan, yeah, Megan was her first name. Yeah, it was no joke. Williams? Megan Williams? No. Is that it? But no, Megan. And, this is my whole thing at 8 Forest Avenue. You know, just inviting a virus to my computer, explode, and blah, blah. I just keep using them and just use them until they blow up. And she kept calling me for help. So I called back the number. The boyfriend said, I'm a cop here. Leave her alone. She's like, I've been hit with the pistol, all this shit. I'm like, oh shit, Megan, what the fuck? I was like, you have no jurisdiction here, man. Call me and, well, she's been calling you. Yeah, because you've been hitting her with the fucking gun. I was like, damn. She got hit with the second storm. They had to go. The whole oil refinery went down Bernard Street over a foot of water, but it was oil. And they weren't allowed to move back in their houses and all this. Was it Megan Williams? It had, alright. She was funny though. Because I was a little dork on the computer, like, look, just give me your password, I'll go on your AOL account, I'll download a puncher for you, and then, you could pump people too. And your password is red123.